Hey guys, welcome to my Text AI review. My name is Kieran Hogg, and in this review I will show you how you can, with one click, convert any audio into attention-grabbing text. I do have the members area. We're going to look at it and I'm going to show you in real time how easy it is to use. Also, we're going to look at my bonuses that I put together that are going to complement this product, and also including my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free. As well, we're going to look at the price and the upsells, and of course we're going to look at the sales page and the vendors bonuses as well. So I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate your time. This is my attempt to serve you, to get you to learn more about Text AI and see if it is the right product for you. And this is my channel where I do lots of tech reviews and show you how to make money online. Text AI is a product that is being launched by Ganesh Saha, and it goes live on Tuesday, February 21st at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, with a front end of $17. But stay with me till the end. There is a $3 discount that I will show you how you can get. And guys, if you do like this product and you want to get it through my link, I have an extra bonus for you. Wait till the end and I'll show you that as well. Guys, first of all, I'm going to take you over to my bonus page. This is we're going to learn more about it in here before I take you to the members area. So like I said, Text AI is a brand new one-click powered app that can convert into text in just one click, and you can get accepted with Google for a one-time low price. It says effortlessly converts any audio into unlimited attention-grabbing, search engine-friendly content, and this is going to stay up for 3 days and 15 hours as I'm doing this. Guys, this is a very quick Text AI demo that you can check out down in my description. It's going to be down in this link of the bonus page that I am creating right now. So what is Text AI all about? The world's first AI-based transcript app that convert live voice audio to text. Now guys, this is the coupon code. If you text in Text AI, you will get a $3 discount, so it's going to be only $14. All right, so some of the features here, guys, like I said, it converts any audio into text, create 100% unique Google-friendly content without typing a word, create transcripts of audiobooks, podcasts, etc., uses an algorithm that is friendly with Google, easily supports over 100 languages, which I will show you, multiple audio inputs, and you can actually make money on this as a freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr, etc. No traffic, no zero hidden expenses. This is all done on the cloud. It's a one-time buy. And you will also get a special deal, launch only, get fast action bonuses worth $3,685. And you get to play around with this for 30 days. I'm going to take you over here now, guys. So we have the dashboard here. So we can record and transcribe, upload and transcribe results, my transcribe project, profile settings, support, and notifications. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just record something very, very simple, and then we will upload it, okay? Hello, this is my recording of Text AI. I am doing it for my demo. Kind of corny, okay, I know. Let's just play it. Hello, this is my recording of Text AI. I am doing it for my demo. Okay, so there we go. All right, so now we can just go down here and look, guys, if I click on here, we can see all kinds of different languages. So that's pretty cool. I can convert to multiple different languages. And I'm just going to stay with English. I don't want to get too out of my lane. And I'll just transcribe it. And I can take a look here. So I'm going to go to transcribe results here. And it's processing. Okay, so I can press actions here. And if I play it.
Hello, this is my recording of Text AI. I'm doing it for my demo.
And you can see down here, hello, this is my recording of Text AI. I'm doing it for my demo. So it worked out really well. It matched up everything just like it should. So we can go return if we want, or we can download it. And I can just download it. Sure. Right there. And it'll download as a text file. And if we wanted, guys, you can also upload an audio file from your computer. We can just browse right here and we can pick whatever we want, okay? And let me just check out my profile settings. So my profile. All right, so we can edit our profile here. We can look at the total minutes used, total words generated, total transcribed tasks, text-to-speech, and personal details. We can add everything in here that we want, and we can also see the graph here as well. Change passwords, support is there, and there are the notifications. So you guys, it was super easy for me to do, and you can also do that and make just any kind of audio file into text, make it very customizable, and then you can use it as potentially freelancing or just having some of content that you want and you don't want to bother typing it. You can just speak into it like that. So guys, I'm going to take you now down to my bonuses before we get to the sales page and the actual upsells and the front end cost. So the first one I want to give you guys is I want to help you get some traffic. So if you're doing this and you want to get some traffic out there to let people know that you have this service, one of the biggest social media platform is Facebook. So this is going to teach you how you can use Facebook to help you get traffic as well. And guys, this is going to help you also build your email list easy. This is something that I recorded that is very simple to do, but also very, very effective. And guys, this is a cool way that you can use Instagram and Pinterest. This piggybacks the followers who follow the really big influencers. So it's going to follow the followers of those big influencers, if you will, okay? And guys, this is an underground traffic space that is quite underutilized. So you can actually get a lot of extra traffic through this program, through this bonus as well. And guys, my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free.
Bitch. It's getting tropical!
That's right. And guys, we're going to check out the the vendor bonuses in just a moment. Now to get all of these bonuses, all you're going to do is click on any of these yellow tabs here, and that will take you to the sales page. And then you can just click. So it will take you to the sales page, and then you can just click on the button here to go to get Text AI. And when you do that, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Click on this blue button here, and it's going to take you to my bonus page where you're going to get all of my bonuses and my mega bonus bundle, which is 55 pages of loads of bonuses that are going to help you along your way, that you can learn information. You can get all kinds of video tutorials, PDF tutorials, learn how to do organic traffic, SEO, paid traffic, Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads. Also going to teach you how to use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. I'm going to teach you how to make a website if you want, WordPress plugins, other things about making money online, blogging, real estate, print on demand, and launch jacking, all kinds of stuff that are really going to help you out. And it just keeps going and going and going and going and go. Emailing, how to increase your email list, and just so many things that are going to help you out. So this is my gift to you as a way of saying thank you. All right. Now let's take a look at the sales page. Now this is a huge sales page, so I'm not going to waste a lot of your time. I'm just going to kind of skim through. As you know, we've already talked about the main heading, how easy it is to convert audio into text. Now we just saw how simple it was. And here are some of the main things that we talked about already. So I'm not going to mention that again. I'm just going to kind of scoot down. Like I said, you can look at this on your own time. It's going to be down in my link here. All you have to do is just click on any of these buttons and it's going to kick you right over to the sales page. So I'm going to just kind of shoot you down to the bonuses and see what they're offering as well. There's some testimonials in here, but you got to see just how simple it was. Okay, here is the first bonus. So voice to text enhancer. Use this exclusive bonus to convert any voice into attention-grabbing text and get more exposure for your offers without spending a fortune. Number 2 is the auto text booster. So sick and tired of paying monthly to text creation platforms? Don't worry, they've got you covered here. Bonus number 3 is 100% unique content technology. Number 4 is a multiple audio format with mind-blowing benefits. Business owners can convert audio ranging from multiple languages into text and drive more transaction for their offers. Okay, so total value of these bonuses, $36.85. And with my bonuses as well, you're getting thousands of dollars of value. Speaking of value, let's take a look at the price and the upsells and see if any of them are right for you. So guys, here we've already gone through. You're going to get the front end for the $17, but you'll get that $3 discount. So it's only going to be $14. You're going to get all of that plus my mega bonus bundle and my exclusive bonuses. Next one, guys, is the Pro at $37. I'll just quickly take you here. I've linked all of the upsell sales pages into my bonus page, so you can just check it out anytime you want. Supercharge your Text AI account and get premium features to 10 times your profits faster and easier by upgrading to Pro Edition today. And again, I'm going to let you look at these. These are all linked, so you can just check it out on your own time. The AI Max at $67. Unlock everything unlimited. Get access to never offered before features and 10 times your profits faster and easier by getting Text AI Unlimited today. And the Market Kit at $47. Upgrade to Text AI Marketing Kit and create unlimited landing pages and send unlimited emails to your subscribers. So this one I think could be a potential upsell. I like the funnel builder, and of course I like the email builder, and of course with my bonus this is going to help you build your email list faster as well. Number 4 is the agency. So start your profitable 3-in-1 marketing agency and make 5 figures profits by charging $500 to $1,000 per client with zero grunt work. So if you do want to start doing some freelancer work, this might be the upsell that you want to consider as well. And the reseller rights at $67, you'll get 100% on the whole profit. And again, you can look at these on your own time. Okay, so they're sitting here waiting for you. All right, my friends, so that wraps up my review of Text AI, which does go live in a few hours at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. All right, and just to summarize, I did like the Market Kit, and I didn't mind the agency as well. And again, you can convert any audio into attention-grabbing content in 3 clicks, 100% unique Google-friendly content without typing a word. So again, for freelancing, it's very simple. You can be doing podcast, voice content. You can add it to a blog. You can be creating audiobooks. You can be doing all kinds of different things as a freelancer, or just creating your own products that you want to sell online. And guys, again, you'll be getting my Facebook traffic loophole, how to build an email list easy, tag team traffic system. This is great for really exploding your traffic. This is an underground method that a lot of people don't use. My mega bonus bundle, which has, again, 250 bonuses for free, and the vendor bonuses as well. All right, and I did say if you use my link, I have an extra bonus for you. So if you do use my link, I will be sending you a thank you email for that and asking you to whitelist my email. Now, if you do that, I will gladly send you another bonus that I know you're going to love and I really got a lot of value from as well. All right, my friends, once again, I really appreciate your time. I hope this served you well. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you did get value, give me a like and also subscribe for more content, as I do review videos often and I also provide other videos to help you make money online. And guys, I have free training down below if you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to understand some of the concepts about it. And also there is more links down there with free goodies and awesome training. Again, guys, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. And if you do get Text AI, I just wish you the best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.